Hi, welcome back again to another video of stuff where I put things on my face and I don't really know what I'm doing. But it's really good stuff and I think you should use it too. Anyway, I'm going to stick with my current theme of doing nude eye looks. I think this will be the second one that I'll have kind of done so far. So this is kind of like a smoky, kind of quick, simple, natural, everyday going out kind of style. You can mix and match it. You can add a bit more color if you want to jazz it up. You can turn it down if you really want like that everyday kind of look. But I'm gonna go ahead and use, I think maybe my most popular liquid matte lip is the Mega Cly. It's in a kind of like a taupey kind of pink color. It's really nice. It's one of the most popular. I really like it. Obviously I love colors, so my favorites are like bright pinks and super pigmented reds, but this is the most popular. It's closely followed by Calm as well, which is kind of a pinkier version to Mega Cly. But let's get started with the eye makeup anyway, and let's see what's going to happen. Again, I'm just going to speed the whole process up and talk to you at the end, because that seems to work best.
My darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do your door 'cause I'm feeling so good. Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do your door 'cause I'm feeling so good. Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do your door 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do your door 'cause I'm feeling so good. memories might let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do your door 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do your door 'cause I'm feeling so good.
So we're all complete. What do you think? I like it. Is like sultry. I love these lashes. These are Vulcan Vixen lashes in shade Natural. You'll notice Natural is kind of a bit bigger than Full Volumized. Might have had a bit of a mix up, but Natural is more more spread out and up, whereas the Full Volume is more like up. These ones are a lot denser. I really like these ones. They fit my eyes really well as well, to be honest. They just sit nicely, and they're just lightweight. I just love the lashes. I'm really in love with the eye look that I've created. So this is I lined it first and kind of went in with the depth with Harmonia, and then we used Demos to kind of really smoke it up, blend it out a bit. You don't want any harsh lines. You want to keep it nice and soft and whatever that means. We did in the center of the eye to blend out was we used Anthros, and then I went ahead with some glitter that I've got just to kind of brighten that up as well. We've lined the eye with just a NYX Cosmetics black liner, nice and simple. Then we've gone ahead with a water liner for kind of like a sharp line on top of the lash, and I've just added a bit more shading underneath here just to give it a sultry kind of feel. The lips I've added Mega Client, which is, you know, if you watched the beginning, obviously you did if you're already here, it's one of the most popular shades we have on sale at the minute, as well as Calm. Calm is a bit more pink. Maybe if I hold the Calm towards it, can you? Calm's a bit more of like a baby pink, like a taupey kind of color. This is more of a, I suppose this is more of a taupe version than that. But it's nice. Europe is my favourite with nudes. The brown, I think you saw that in the previous video. If that's there, that one was my favourite. And then we've kind of just warmed the face up. I use Shade Foundation, Shade 5 foundation, in case you're wondering. I've used my highlighting palette. We've used a, which one is it? Cream Kiss. We went ahead with Cream Kiss on the highlighting, which is the warmer kind of highlight. I thought that would be a lot nicer just because it's got the warmth in it and it's more of a creamy kind of highlight. Arctic Fox is a very blinding, super like light kind of colour in. I'll show you that now. I'll just do it on my arm. Can you see this one is Arctic Fox? Like that is super highlight, super pigmented, and really soft as well. They're lovely to use. And Strobe's one of my favourites if I'm going out or something, because it's got like a pinky undertone to it, so it highlights my face, gives a bit of a glisten of a pink as well. So that one is lovely. So I think that's about it, really. I've added a Jeffree Star matte lip, liquid velour lip, Drug Lord, in shade Drug Lord, just to highlight above the top of my lip as well. Can you see? Looks like I've got a little milk tash. little milk tash. And then I've obviously just put Mega Clit over the top as well. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, if you do want to shop the rest of the products, they are available on my website, which is vulcanandvixen.com. I will link it down below in the description as well. Feel free to find me on Instagram, Twitter. I'm not really very active on there. I think I have like 2-3 followers. But Instagram is growing really well. I think we're on about 1,400 followers, which is really great. So I'm really happy if you follow me on there as well. It's really nice. And also Facebook as well. You can just type in Vulcan and Vixen. You can find me on all of them. And if you do want to purchase anything as well, you know, you're always welcome to use YouTube 10 as a discount code on the website. I've taken off shipping as well, so it's all free shipping on the website. I thought with the lockdown and coronavirus and everyone's trying to do Christmas shopping and do gifts and make everyone happy and treat themselves, I thought it'd be a bit naff to kind of then charge shipping on top. You know what I mean? So there's no shipping on there at the minute, so shop to your heart's content. I've also got gift cards as well if you know a makeup lover and you're not sure what to get them for Christmas. If my video popped up for you on YouTube and you're like, you know what? Yes, my daughter, husband, wife, I don't know, anyone really likes makeup, then click on it and you can get them a gift card if you're not sure. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next video, which I don't know when it will be. I plan on filming it tomorrow, maybe. If you have any suggestions of what eye makeups to do, what kind of looks to follow, and I can do an in-depth tutorial if you'd like. That would be interesting. Yeah, thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye.